Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some bar door ideas. Check home bar door ideas to channel your favorite cocktail lounge. The best Martin in town is it at your place. A night out is great every now and then, but there is something so sophisticated about making cocktails at your own home bar. Put a little thought into your setup and you can entertain in a space that rival even the coolest of clubs. You'll need more than a well-stocked liquor cabinet to make it happen, although that's essential. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. A great home bar has all the right tools, glassware and mixers for every drink in your repertoire. Then there is the Decor. Luckily, we have stylish home bar ideas and inspiration to help on the front. Even for small spaces, you can elevate your cocktail game, whether you are working with a butler's pantry, a bar cart, or just a section of your kitchen counter. The best home bar ideas like a great cocktail lounge or hotel lobby can be sleek and modern or cozy and library like at home. It's up to you. Borrow their lighting, color palette and accessories to get the atmosphere just right. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.